The ultimate homemade recipe to cleanse and detox your kidneys almost instantly and naturally.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Our kidneys, even though they are relatively small organs, are very important. They are responsible for our body's vital functions. They eliminate toxins from our blood through their filtering system, regulate blood pressure, and much more. With our modern lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits, we don't always pay as much attention to our kidneys' health as we should, and there can be several consequences. The problem is that our kidneys can't always let us know that something is wrong, so we should avoid certain habits such as not drinking enough water, consuming too much caffeine, salt, and fat, drinking too much sodas and/or alcohol, not urinating enough, laziness, smoking. Today we're going to teach you a juice recipe to maintain your kidneys' health using some powerful ingredients. Watermelon. Great at detoxing your kidneys and treating urinary tract infections. Relieves inflammation, due to its anti-turmeric inflammatory properties, that have been proved in several scientific studies. Lemon. A great source of citric acid, which keeps small stones from growing, and breaks down the others. Ginger. Rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals that make it extremely beneficial for our overall health. It's also an anti-inflammatory and great at detoxifying. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Instructions: put the watermelon juice in a jar. Next, add the grated ginger, lemon juice, and turmeric powder and gently stir. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then strain it and store it in a bottle. You should drink this juice twice a day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for get more videos.